Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see address before accepting Doordash. So when you receive a Doordash delivery request, you will see 4 key details on the app. The restaurant you will pick up the order from, the customer general location, the earnings for completing the delivery, the distance between the restaurant and the customer. The app will display a map with a pinpoint indicating the customer's approximate location. You won't see the exact address, but you can get a good idea of the vicinity, and you can zoom in on the map to get a closer look at the customer's specific location, such as their house or building. Based on this information, you can decide whether the order is worth accepting. You can assess whether it's a residential address, a business, or an apartment building. If you choose to accept the order, DoorDash will provide you with the exact customer address, as well as instructions on whether it's a leave at the door or a hand to customer delivery. It's important to note that your DoorDash acceptance rate doesn't matter, so you can reject orders that don't align with your preferred delivery locations. That's how you can see address before accepting DoorDash. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.